guys, back on Yola for a little DIY sailboat fun. So last episode I was sanding the cockpit coaming, and today I used penetrating epoxy. So I wanted to do a really good epoxy coat on the teak because I had a little bit of decay on the teeth, a little teak, a little black line. So let's take a look. Of course, the black line's still there, but I wanted to make sure it was really nice and sealed. So here's what we got. And it's got penetrating epoxy on it. Over here it's kind of dark, so you can't really see it, but it's fully coated with TotalBoat Penetrating Epoxy. And I even went on the back side here. My Durade box is over here. This is kind of the back side where my Durade box, where that vent is there. And there's a little bit over here. And some right there. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I ordered this stuff probably quite a while ago. I ordered it in the winter, I think. And I ordered cold weather formula. So cold weather formula right here, see that? If you use it in warm weather, it's going to kick real fast. I tried another project, the Durade boxes, with this product, and before I could even really get it on, I was using it in warm weather like it is now. It's about 85 degrees Fahrenheit. It was kicking and turning yellow in the bucket that I was mixing it in. So what I did with this was I put the bottles in my cooler with the ice. Got it cold, got it chilled, and then the other thing I did was I poured it into a roller tray, and then the roller tray, so here's my cooler lid, if you can see that. The cooler lid right here, I filled it full of ice, put the roller tray on the ice. So as I was rolling, it was chilling, keeping the pot life cold, and extended the life of it. And I managed to get the whole thing rolled out before it started to kick. It's supposed to kick in about 15 or 20 minutes. I suspect it's already kicked in the tray now. It's been about 20 minutes since I've done it, and the material that's in the tray is, I would say, almost fully hardened. So here's how it turned out. So it's a little dark up there, but this part you can see. So I still have the little black line. The teak has turned a color there. I'm not sure why, maybe from weather getting in. Might have a little crack there. So I wanted to make sure that this whole thing was sanded right down to bare wood. Pores were open, and I hit it with penetrating epoxy. And after this, I'm going to sand it down. I'll do a light scuff on it, and then I'm going to put about 5 to 10 coats of varnish over top of the penetrating epoxy. But the penetrating epoxy is going to soak into the pores of the wood, the teak, and protect it. So hopefully I get a few years out of that. I'll probably have to do a light sand on the varnish that's on top of the penetrating epoxy, maybe next year or the year after, and then I can just varnish over top. So I think this is a successful project. That's it for me, guys. Give me thumbs up, subscribe up here, maybe it's up here, and I'll see you next week for some more DIY sailboat fun.